Alright, real quick update to the OBS. I put some rocker switches in the dash. I just had a switch up here dangling around, flopping around for my front lights. So I've replaced it with two. I don't know what I'm going to use this one for. It's kind of a spare. But that's there. I got the space. It's hard to see. Right here, next to this side, you can put two more. But a lot cleaner look. So works good. Just for the front light. So yeah, thanks for watching again. Alright, welcome to another video here. So I've been driving a car all weekend. My dad borrowed my truck. I finally got it back. I hate driving cars. Just something about an old truck. Anyways, so today we got we're going down to get some tinting done on this thing again. I've decided to do the windshield. Not quite sure what percentage I'm going to do yet, but I know I want to do the windshield, so just to make it just a little bit darker in here, not too much, you know, nothing too crazy. So we're going to go do a little bit of running around first, and then I'm going to head down there and get that figured out, so stay tuned. Alright, got back from the window tinting. See the windshield got done. I mean, it might be hard to tell, but like, it's definitely darker. Like, you can't see the seats here. Like, really, you can kind of make out the outline, but you can't see them before, like you could before. I went with a 50% ceramic. I think it came out really nice. It's a really good choice, because not super dark, but yeah, it's dark enough that you can't really see in too much. Let me shut the door and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so there you go. You can kind of see the wall behind it, but not really. Cameras don't really do tint justice. You know, this is like super dark. So if you look with the camera through the front, you can see the difference. It's not a huge difference from the inside. Like, it does reduce glare. It does a really good job at that. Reduces the heat of the sun because it is 99% UV. Stops 99% of UV light. So it keeps the inside cooler. I think it came out pretty good. They did a really good job. It was pretty quick. Like, there are no like white lines around the outside. Like, it's perfectly done. And it gives the truck kind of, as far as I'm concerned, a little more aggressive, a little more stylish look. Kind of matches the rest of the headlights and everything else that's blacked out. So I think it turned out pretty good. Shaky. So one of the projects we're doing next is, a lot of people are probably going to hate this, but we're doing Dodge mirrors. I know the Chevy mirrors are popular, but this is the next project, is putting these mirrors on there. I saw a picture of one that had them that weren't flipped up, and it actually looked pretty good. So Pretty clean look. And it also, down here, is the smallest, it's the smallest footprint here, so it doesn't take up a bunch of your vent window. Leaves pretty good access to it. So that's the next video that's coming out. I'm going to put these two mirrors on there, see how I like it. Get rid of these crappy factory mirrors. I mean, I don't know who thought this was a good idea, but I hope they got fired. And I do not like the big A-frame mirrors. I just don't. So that's what we're doing next. Also some lighting upgrades to it. So stay tuned.